Hello guys, welcome once again and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can remove any dependency from a server, or if you want to install any package or dependency from a server, how you can do that. So let's get started with this video.
Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update.
So guys, you can see here, I've already logged in into my server, and let me just show you that PHP my admin is already installed. So let me just show you, let's say if I run the install command, it says PHP admin is already at the newest version, and I want to remove this from my server. So what I'll do is I'll write a command which says apt-get, and you have to write purge here. Purge means uninstall, and PHP my admin or whatever dependency you want to install, you have to write the name of the dependency. Just press enter, and you'll able to see it says press y to continue and follow the instructions. And you can see here I have successfully removed it. And then this way you can remove any of the dependencies from your server. So that's all in today's video. If you have any doubt, you can comment down and ask me. I will surely help you. I've again started my channel because it's been a long time. I've been not posting any videos. Sorry for that, guys, but for sure I'll try to post video every week, every once a week. So that's all in today's video. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.